Hi, this is a short informational video about the Puritan Bennett 980, which gets used in the intensive care unit at Manchester Royal Infirmary. We just thought it would be helpful when looking after COVID patients if non-ICU clinicians had an idea of how to set this ventilator up. So here we go. So the first thing that you must remember to do is to take the red cap off the ventilator tubing before you switch the ventilator on. This cap could damage the ventilator if it remains on. Second thing is now turn the power on with this button down here, which is under a little plastic cap. So setting up a new patient is fairly straightforward. The new patient button is there. Taking a patient back to the unit who's left previously, you press the same patient and the previous ventilator settings will automatically come up. So I'm going to demonstrate the new patient. So when setting up a new patient, first enter their ideal body weight. That's a calculated number, not just one that gets made up. If you don't know what that is, then gender and height of the patient can be entered as well to give the same information. Next, mode of ventilation ideally is volume control plus, and then there are 5 parameters to consider. Frequency, tidal volume, which should be 6 mils per kilo, IE ratio, which should be close to 1.1, oxygen concentration, and finally PEEP, which is adjusted according to the ARDSNet protocol guidelines. Once you're happy with the settings, press accept all, and the box will go back to the left bottom corner. If you wish to modify the ventilator settings because you're not happy with them, go back to this left-hand corner, bring them all back up, adjust something, the one that you want to adjust, and accept again. The box will disappear again.